Welcome to a world where math meets opportunity. Introducing the Math Pro app, absolutely free for the first 5,000 users. Don't miss your chance to elevate your math
skills effortlessly.
Joining the Math Pro revolution not only lines your pocket with savings, but also gives you access to a treasure trove of resources. Imagine accessing a wealth of math resources, valued at over 100,000, all at no cost. These resources range from practice problems to video tutorials, meticulously crafted to support your learning journey. Seize this golden opportunity and get it now. The beauty of Math Pro lies in its commitment to keeping learners equipped with fresh content daily. With constant updates, the app ensures that you remain at the forefront of your academic studies. The resources evolve, transform, and grow, meeting the ever-changing landscape of learning needs. You won't be left behind. Fresh content every single day will be within your grasp. If errors pop up along your learning path, there's no need to fret. Math Pro allows you to report issues instantly for swift solutions. This dynamic feedback loop guarantees that your learning experience is smooth, effective, and you're always a step ahead of your problems. The swiftness of response to your issues transforms potential roadblocks into stepping stones. It's crucial to adhere to some simple conditions to continue enjoying your free access. First, please do not uninstall the app. Helps grow a vibrant learning network. Additionally, your input matters. Don't forget to rate us 5 stars. Following these steps ensures you're smooth sailing in the academic waters ahead. Now, don't wait another minute. Download Math Pro today to unlock the doors to your academic success. The resources at your fingertips are designed not just to help you survive, but thrive in mathematics. Whether you are a student or someone looking to brush up on math, this app is your key to a brighter understanding of the subject. Remember, this is a limited offer just for the first 5,000 users. Act quickly, download before it's gone. Equip yourself with the essential tools to succeed, and let Math Pro be the guiding light in your educational journey. The countdown has begun. Embrace this opportunity with open arms and unlock your potential.